It doesn't matter whatever the industry you belong to practice this powerful form of selling. Today I'm going to share with you a very powerful form of selling. This method has worked for. It has worked for many salespeople. I swear you, it will work for you too. Stay with me. The most powerful way of selling is testimonial-based selling. If we tell good about ourselves, it's just like advertising. Then people know it is manipulated. But if you get testimonial from successful customers, prospects believe them because they are coming from a third party. They have authenticity. You can't get testimonials. You have to earn the testimonials. How do you do that? The minimum standard is deliver what you promise. If you can't deliver, don't promise. False promises only give you a temporary hike. In the long term, prospect will never appear for you. If you can go an extra mile and delight the customer, there is a high chance you will earn testimonials. Because when you go for extra mile, there is less competition. When you delighted the customer, ask the testimonials. Yes, ask the testimonials. Why do I tell you to ask the testimonials? Because your customer doesn't know the value of a testimonial just like you and me. He doesn't know the testimonial-based selling is the best form of selling. You got it? There is a proverb, strike the iron while it is hot. This proverb works here. Soon after your client got delighted, ask testimonials. Don't delay that. Because later he might change his mind. He will be in another company. Sometimes he may have to cope up with a personal challenge. We never know about it. To be honest with you, as a sales pro, you are really blessed today because we are in social media here. Observe LinkedIn. You can connect with many professionals. When someone Googles your name, most probably your LinkedIn profile will appear. On LinkedIn, there is a method you can obtain testimonial from the others. Out of all forms, I believe video format is very powerful because it's just like your customer physically appearing in front of your prospect to tell the good about you. How wonderful it is. If someone is not giving you an appointment, don't worry. Send him a video testimonial of a delighted customer who says initially how he has misjudged you and how happy he is now. If someone is telling you your price is high, send him a testimonial. Send him a video testimonial of a delighted customer who says how valuable your service is for the money. If your prospect says I am happy with my current supplier, send him a video testimonial. Video testimonial of a delighted customer who talks about your unique value proposition. Alright, I'll catch you with another video like this. Good luck.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, read below information and subscribe to my channel. I will offer you more videos like this to improve your sales and to grow your business. Have a great day.